and ready. You look like you are ready.
Enshonga egi ezirwa kumanywa ha mukoro gw'okutongoza Ehururu y'okusirika abaana abari hansi y'emyaka 5 n'abakazi okutandikira ha myaka 15 okuza ha myaka 45 hamwe n'abaishiki bato abari hagati y'emyaka 10 okuza ha myaka 15.
Omuri Sheema district abaana 27 tibakabonaga mubazi in their lifetime. So that is something to note and very important for this campaign.
Rising in Africa, I cannot imagine somebody from Sheema develop the constituency by that time. Science. That one is purely a security issue.
Abarkwebembere by'amagaro muri Sheema nibajangwa enshonga zirikuremesa abantu okusirikwa tizirikushana kurugirira hi barukuruga.
Some of our communities, by virtue of how they are or what they are, nitushanga bamwe abashaho batakorachi batahikayo, in the fact that nitushanga these communities omwana tibakakora gachi tibakamujemaga.
Hariho rumwe nargiye kurabamo okuside za south abantu bakazoma business barwo mu ya government kandi bakabahe sente nyinshi nkara disi yo kuyagamba oshanga yini cyaji ahirwa rutarebekaho irwaro ryona ne chaka
what you are doing at your health center is what makes Uganda beautiful or ugly.
Kurugira abashaho obwiro barukwebwa n'obuke kandi bono bagira ngo abazira barukushereka abana babo n'enshonga mpango ezingamizo kusirika abana mu district ya Sheema.
A good catch of HPV is always at school, so maybe we shall have an extension of another week so that we can have a good capture, because this week that is starting the pupils are going to be sent home. So it may be very difficult to capture them at home since they did not have the cards, but better at school.
We think they are done with measles vaccine. Yet, government introduced the second dose. The immunity that is enough to protect them.
Ehururu y'okusirika neija kutandika ebiro 5 ku 11 okusya 11 ku 11 omu district ya Sheema aha marwariro goona omu mashomero kandi byona nebyabusha.
To launch this campaign.
Gasha kwa Michael atwachire.